In 2022, when Tesla first introduced the humanoid robot Optimus, the global tech community was amazed and excited. Questions were pouring in for Elon, especially about when Optimus could officially reach users. At that time, Elon predicted that deliveries would start in about 3 to 5 years. If this estimate's correct, 2025 would be the perfect milestone for Tesla to commercialize this pioneering robot line. According to current info, Tesla's made about 100 Optimus Gen 2 and aims to reach thousands by next year. Currently, Optimus has achieved many amazing capabilities, from more flexible movement to improved sensory and manipulation performance. However, it still needs major improvements before it's truly ready to serve customers. Let's dive into Tesla Bot's new capabilities and massive changes. Welcome to evtech. Before we begin, please help us reach 20 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla bots, Tesla electric vehicles, and the latest tech news. Thank you. We are now in the last month of 2024, marking almost a year since Optimus Gen 2 was officially launched. Compared to the first generation, Gen 2 has impressive upgrades. 30% faster movement speed, 10 kilos lighter, and 11 degrees of freedom hand with more sophisticated tactile sensors. This allows it to perform delicate operations like grabbing slippery objects like eggs without breaking them. However, when it comes to more detailed and basic tasks, we think it's not yet available. And now it can check packages and receive them for you, open the trunk of a car and get things, clean the kitchen, cook full clothes, serve drinks. Optimus can also climb stairs, charge itself, carry up to 11 kilos, and navigate itself. This can be considered the result of 1 year of continuous upgrades and improvement by the Tesla team. If it's said that Tesla Bot is focused on much more. We thought Optimus was ready for mass production, and the number of gadgets would increase with each software update, but it seems we were wrong. Tesla still has at least 2 major changes to make to Optimus's hand and design. While the new hand has more degrees of freedom, up to 22, combined with more tactile sensors, the new design is aimed at easier mass production potential, according to Elon. While the new design is still being refined, Optimus's new hand was recently revealed. The company added a soft protective layer to the fingers and palm to protect the hand's tactile sensing capabilities while still allowing it to handle delicate objects. All of the hand's actuators are now located in the forearm. Tesla says it plans to complete the integration of tactile sensors, implement sophisticated tendon-based controls, and reduce the weight of the forearm by the end of this year. During this phase, the company will need to refine the robot's design and optimize it to the point where it can be profitable. Tesla will also need to build a facility capable of being dedicated to Optimus production. It's not yet clear where Tesla will do this, although facilities like Giga Texas certainly have enough space for a humanoid robot factory. Once again, please help us reach 20 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. Back to the latest Optimus update video. The manufacturer also showcased a scene of humanoid robots serving out snacks and drinks to the Tesla team. Every time we see Optimus doing something, we feel the future getting clear. The We Robot event and the latest update video have demoed that the number of tasks that Optimus can do is continually going up. If Tesla keeps up the pace and dedicates more effort to it, we think that by the year after next, it can accomplish 50 out of 100 tasks that us humans can do.
Like in 2026, it's really the kind of thing where you could tell it to do kind of a wide range of tasks, including tasks where it has not specifically done that exact thing before.
So this is crazy. Obviously, Optimus is not just getting developed for the number of tasks it has. Tesla's focusing on making Optimus actually able to interact with humans in the most natural of ways. So it has a visual recognition, and it can recognize what you're asking for just by pointing. It can pick up different things, and it's all automated. All of this is automated, and this alone could be worth billions. A lot of restaurants and places like that could serve different items easily. And we also noticed something missing from the Optimus robot in Tesla's new vid compared to the ones that they brought out to the event 2 weeks ago. We think you may not have noticed it, but we saw the numbers printed on Optimus's biceps, but we wondered why the robots in the video did not have these numbers. Maybe it's such a crowded event, and to control the robots in each area, the numbering kind of helps you identify each robot, so they definitely put numbers on them. But for some reason, they didn't apply it in the factory, or at least in this case. Maybe they wanted to hide their real numbers. In the process of learning and development, or more accurately, data collection, robots like Optimus gradually learn to handle these tasks more naturally and efficiently, as seen in instances where the robot automatically releases an object at the right moment when a person has a secured grip. These skills are going to get better over time, and the more often the robot does these tasks, the better it will learn to respond appropriately in different situations. Now, surely we have not forgotten one of the biggest debates about AI was the dialogue between Elon and Alibaba founder Jack Ma. This wasn't just a conversation between two major powers across the world, two giant cultures of the US and China, but also we saw two schools of thought. Jack Ma's perspective on AI suggests that artificial intelligence can never surpass human wisdom. Elon, on the other hand, stated that the pace of AI development is in general crazy. Now, Elon's viewpoint shows that he truly values technology where AI can surpass and dominate humans. Elon even argued that Optimus could sometimes be more dangerous than nukes. Many people still wonder why his statements are different than what he's actually doing. The reality is we don't deny Optimus could be very dangerous if misused, and Elon Musk also addressed this. So the creation of Optimus and other leading AI technology is driven by Elon's desire to stay one step ahead in order to dominate the AI market comprehensively, rather than allowing it to develop uncontrollably. With Tesla's Optimus Gen 2, Tesla aims to begin selling the product by the end of 2025. According to global analysts, the production costs of robots go down by 15 to 20% annually, but the actual figure is around 40%, which amounts to about $30,000 to $150,000 for a humanoid robot. The average price is close to CEO Elon's earlier announcement for Optimus, where he previously stated that the expected price would be about $20,000. But we believe that for the cheapest version, Gen 1, Gen 2, and 3 will be the more premium versions, offering better design and more features. Now, you might be wondering why Optimus could potentially earn users tens of thousands of dollars each year through its utility. So why would Tesla allow him to sell it at a lower price? Well, there's one reason. Tesla has a manufacturing advantage, and Optimus shares a significant portion of expensive components with Tesla's existing EV technologies, like the FSD chip, the batteries, and drive systems. Optimus uses the same type of 4680 battery and many components that are also used in Tesla cars, which help streamline production and cut costs. The drive system, crucial for mobility and manipulation, benefit from Tesla's existing expertise in EVs. The development of humanoid robots is not something that happens overnight. It's a process of ongoing research, and the immediate introduction of the second generation shows that the founder of Tesla has a long-term roadmap and is ready for massive plans in the coming years. To summarize, the update's given us a closer look at the humanoid robot, bringing it closer to becoming a viable workforce solution on a major scale. One of the standout improvements is Optimus's smoother locomotion. Although the robot's walking has sometimes been likened to needing a diaper change, it's clear that there's been some improvement, allowing it to move more naturally in human environments. Additionally, the ability to automatically navigate stairs, that's a pretty big achievement, enabling the robot to adapt to multi-level environments. Optimus's capability to autonomously explore new places is also a big breakthrough. The robot uses advanced visual mapping technology to navigate and avoid obstacles on its own, similar to Tesla's self-driving technology for their cars, allowing Optimus to operate in complex environments like factories and warehouses. The ability to share mapping data between robots also fosters a collective intelligence, enhancing the performance of the whole system. Another important development is the ability to automatically recharge. When the battery gets low, Optimus can autonomously locate a charging station and charge itself without a human intervention. This minimizes downtime and enhances efficiency in environments where multiple robots are operating around the clock. The capability to lift and transport heavy objects like a 25-pound tray also shows improvements in Optimus's strength and dexterity. This makes it a valuable asset in industries like logistics, manufacturing, and retail. And finally, the robot's ability to respond to commands from humans through voice or gestures enhances its flexibility, making it easier for Optimus to integrate into work environments alongside people. Now, before, Tesla's Optimus robot demonstrated the ability to perform many amazing tasks, exceeding the expectations of event attendees. This robot can do various household chores like picking up and checking packages, watering plants, cleaning, and interacting with the family. It can even open the trunk of your car and carry items into the house naturally and swiftly. Also, Optimus can do some other tasks like babysitting, walking the dog, mowing lawns, shopping, serving drinks, even becoming a companion that can chat and understand the users. At the event, the robot acted as a waiter, serving drinks and participating in entertainment activities like dancing and playing games, showcasing its flexibility and great potential in helping out in daily everyday tasks. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.